Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have swatches of the KB Shimmer Halloween nail polish collection. I'm so excited for all the Halloween nail polish collections that I will be showing you on my channel this year. This one was sent to me from KB Shimmer, so thank you so much Christy and KB Shimmer team for sending me these polishes, and I will link for you everything about the collection that you need to know in the description box, but they will be releasing on October 1st together with the KB Shimmer fall collection, so definitely stay tuned for that video as well, coming soon. And the Halloween collection will be only available from October 1st through October 31st, so this is partially a limited edition collection. And today I will show you swatches on my natural nails. If you do enjoy this type of videos, then please give me a thumbs up. And of course, if you're new here and you don't want to miss out on any of my Halloween party series videos and other swatch videos that I have ready for you, then also hit the subscribe button before you leave. Alright, so I actually don't even have a favorite. I do love all three of these polishes from this Halloween trio. I think KB Shimmer did a great job. If it comes to vibrancy, then definitely Hey There Pumpkin is your 100% Halloween color, but I also really like Bugs and Kisses. For some reason I'm really into these deeper colors for Halloween this year, so these are my two picks, but all three of these polishes are absolutely beautiful. I would highly recommend you to get all of them. Alright, I will jump onto the swatch portion now, but if you do have any questions or comments, please leave them for me in the comment section, and I do hope you will enjoy this video, so keep watching the swatch portion. Thank you so much guys for being here today, and I will be back with some more soon. Thank you. Bye bye.